and bonjour. I am Lavi Saxena and welcome to Hunger Delight. Today I have come up with a very easy to make breakfast recipe which not only satisfies your hunger but also boosts your energy and keeps you healthy. So without wasting any more time, let's start making it.
Please note the ingredients of this recipe. Black chickpeas 1 cup which I soaked overnight. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. 2 to 3 chopped green chillies. Oil 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Chopped cilantro for garnishing. Now heat a pan on high flame and add oil. Then add cumin seeds and cook it until crackle. Add green chillies. Add black chickpeas and saute it for a while. Now add 1/3 cup of water. Add salt. Red chilli powder. And give it a good stir until all the spices mix well together with the chickpeas. Now close the lid and cook it for up to 1 to 2 whistles. If you are using normal pan, then cover it with lid and cook it on high flame for around 10 minutes or until it gets soft. Black chickpeas are really good for your health, especially for your heart, skin, hairs and bones, because they are high on soluble fibers, rich in iron, protein and other vitamins and minerals. Regular intake of this legume strengthens bones and reduces hot flushes in menopausal women. Now check the chickpeas. It should be soft enough to get mashed with 2 fingers like shown in the video. Now fry it again on high flame until water evaporates completely. It took me only 3 to 4 minutes. Add chaat masala while frying. Now you can see all the water has gone. It means it's ready to serve. Add cilantro and mix it well before serving. Serve it hot. And if you like, you can add more cilantro on top of it. If you like, you can make it more interesting by adding some more ingredients. So first take a bowl and add chickpeas. Add chopped tomatoes and chopped cucumber. Add lemon juice and mix it well. Now top it with chopped cilantro and your second recipe is ready to serve. Try this recipe at home and share your experiences in the below comment section.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new recipes. So stay tuned with Hunger Delights for some more exciting recipes. Till then,